my name is Hassan Qasa, and today I'm gonna learn how to make a telescope. So I'm gonna tell you the materials needed to do it. So we need two plastic tubes and we need two lenses. The focal length and the plastic tubes length will be decided later. So now, and a holder that can stabilize and support the microscope at the point you are seeing. So now we are gonna decide the length of the tubes. So the length of the tubes will be decided by the lenses that we choose. The lenses will be an observer lens and an eyepiece. An observer lens is a bigger lens that will be placed on the bigger side of the telescope, and an eyepiece will be the smaller lens and will be placed on the smaller side of the telescope. So now we are gonna how to measure an eyepiece or the lenses. So we are gonna bring a flashlight and get it on the lenses and get it like 3 or 2 meters away from a wall and see. When we brighten the flashlight, the light can be weak or strong. So when the light goes stronger and stabilizes at the point, we will measure the distance between the lens and the light. So the measure between the lens and the light is the focal length. It might not be 100% accurate. The observer lens length will be if we say that the observer length is 25 centimeters, then we are gonna cut 5 centimeters out of the big tube, and always the small tube will be 5 centimeters lower than the bigger tube. So if this was 20 centimeters, this will be 15 centimeters now. And the eyepiece will be lower by 10 centimeters, that will be 5 centimeters. So now we have 20 and 5 centimeters. So we are gonna now measure the magnification distance, or how many times does it magnify. So we are gonna take the focal length of the eyepiece and the focal length of the observer lens, and we are gonna divide them by themselves, and it's gonna be at least like 4. So now we are gonna put our parts together. As you can see, I already put it together, but I'm gonna explain how to do. So we are gonna put the bigger tube and the small tube, which we already measured their distance lengths, and we are gonna place the observer lens here and the eyepiece here. And we are, if needed, we need to put a support down here. We need to put a support. It can be anything, but I will prefer a 3-leg support that can stabilize the telescope when looking at a certain direction. Thank you for listening. My name is Hassan, and it was fun to explain to you how to make a telescope.